How to remove background noise from microphone on Windows 11. Is your microphone picking up background noise? Here's how to remove it step by step. So first and foremost, go ahead and open up your Windows device and then go ahead and open up settings. So click on Win8 to open settings. And then from here, go ahead and head over into the sound tab. So the sound tab can basically be found under the system tab. So in here, look for sound, click on it. And then once you're in here, go ahead and select your microphone and toggle noise suppression on. Another thing you can do is to adjust microphone properties. So open additional device properties and enhancements, enable noise suppression or echo cancellation if available. Another thing you can do is to configure the app settings. So apps like Zoom, Teams, and Discord have built-in noise suppression. Turn it on in their audio settings. And that is how to remove background noise from microphone on Windows 11.